Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rinse aid knob on your dishwasher. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the knob is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to start with opening up our dishwasher's door here. So this right here is our rinse aid knob. In order to get it off, what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew it like so, and it'll pop right out. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement rinse aid knob. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you can see inside the hole here, there's like a corkscrew shaped groove, and we're going to insert our rinse aid knob right here. And there's a little notch on there, which is going to go into that corkscrew part, and then we're going to twist it down and tighten it up. And now you can close up your washer door, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.